Money Mindset Makeover. Money mindset is the attitude and beliefs we have about money. It affects our behavior and our ability to manifest wealth. It is important to have a positive money mindset if you want to be successful in creating and maintaining wealth. The first step to having a positive money mindset is to understand and be aware of any negative beliefs you may have about money. These beliefs could be related to feelings of guilt or shame, or even a fear of success. Once you have identified any negative beliefs you may have, it is important to replace them with positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you can repeat to yourself daily to help you shift your mindset and focus on the abundance of money in your life. It is also important to focus on gratitude for the money you do have. Being thankful for the money you have will help you to attract more money into your life. You can do this by keeping a gratitude journal or writing down 3 things you are grateful for each day. It is also important to visualize the wealth you want to manifest. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting wealth. It helps you to focus on what you want to create and the steps you need to take to get there. Another important step is to take action. You can't just sit around and wait for money to come to you. You need to take the necessary steps to create the wealth you desire. This could be starting a side hustle, investing in stocks or real estate, or starting a business. It is also important to be open to receiving money. This means letting go of any limiting beliefs you may have about money and being open to the abundance that is available to you. This could be in the form of a raise, a bonus, or even an unexpected windfall. Finally, it is important to practice self-care. This means taking time to relax and enjoy life. When you are relaxed, you are better able to focus on manifesting wealth and taking the necessary steps to create the life you desire.